Roland, how big and ever bright, we march with strength and courage into the dawn of light. With values, truth and knowledge, we strive to do what's right. Forever in our hearts, you are our guiding light. Roland, oh Roland, to you we lift our song. With gratitude and promise, we proudly all belong. For knowledge, peace and progress, we'll carry ever on. Roland, our alma mater, forever proud and strong. From the shores of knowledge rising, Roland shines with guiding light. In pursuit of truth and wisdom, we soar to every height. Where dreams are forged in learning, and minds are free to grow, we stand with pride and honor, let the Roland spirit flow. The halls of innovation echo voices bold and strong. With science, skill and service, we move the world along. Together in one vision, with unity and grace, we shape a better future for every time and place. We honor all who came before, their dreams our path of pace.